Installing energy-efficient windows is one of the most impactful home improvement projects for Kendall homeowners. Not only can it enhance your home's comfort and curb appeal, but it can also lower energy costs and contribute to a more sustainable environment. If you're planning to upgrade your windows, understanding the installation process can help you prepare and ensure a smooth experience. Here's what you can expect during energy-efficient window installation in Kendall. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with a consultation to determine the best windows for your home. A professional installer will assess your property, discuss your goals, and provide recommendations tailored to Kendall's unique climate. What to expect? An evaluation of your current windows to identify energy loss issues, such as air leaks or inadequate insulation. A discussion about window styles, materials, and energy-efficient features, such as low-E glass and double or triple glazing. Measurements taken to ensure a precise fit for your new windows. This step ensures that the selected windows meet your needs and align with Kendall's energy efficiency requirements. Ordering custom windows. Once you've chosen the right windows, the installer will place the order. If you've selected custom options, such as specific frame colors, finishes, or glass types, the manufacturing process may take a few weeks. What to expect? A timeline for the production and delivery of your windows. Updates from your installer on the progress, so you know when to expect installation day. Using custom-fit windows ensures a perfect installation that maximizes energy efficiency and functionality. Preparation before installation day. Before installation begins, some preparation is necessary to ensure a smooth process. Your installer will provide guidance on what you can do to get your home ready. How to prepare. Clear the area. Remove curtains, blinds, and furniture near the windows to give installers easy access. Protect your belongings. Cover nearby furniture and flooring to shield them from dust and debris. Plan for pets and children. Keep pets and children away from the work area for safety. By preparing in advance, you can minimize disruptions and help the installation process go smoothly. Window removal. On installation day, the first step is removing your old windows. This process is handled carefully to avoid damaging surrounding walls or structures. What to expect? The installer will carefully dismantle the existing windows, including the glass, frames, and hardware. Debris and old materials will be removed and disposed of responsibly. The window openings will be inspected and prepped for the new installation. This step ensures the opening is clean and ready to accommodate the new energy-efficient windows. Installation of energy-efficient windows. With the old windows removed, the new energy-efficient windows are installed. This process involves precise fitting, sealing, and testing to ensure optimal performance. What to expect? Proper alignment. The installer will place the new window into the opening, ensuring it's level and secure. Weatherproofing. High-quality caulking and insulation will be applied to seal gaps, preventing air and water leaks. Secure fastening. The window frame will be fastened to the structure to ensure stability and durability. Each step is designed to maximize energy efficiency and long-term performance. Inspection and cleanup. After the windows are installed, the installer will inspect their work to ensure everything is functioning properly. Inspection checklist. Test the window's operation, ensuring it opens, closes, and locks smoothly. Verify that seals and insulation are airtight and weatherproof. Ensure the installation meets energy efficiency standards and local building codes. The work area will be cleaned, and all debris will be removed, leaving your home tidy and ready to enjoy. Post-installation guidance. Once the installation is complete, your installer will provide instructions for maintaining and operating your new windows. What you'll learn. Tips for cleaning and caring for your energy-efficient windows. How to adjust or operate specific features, such as low-E glass coatings or tilt-in sashes. Warranty information and how to contact the installer if issues arise. Proper maintenance ensures your windows continue to perform efficiently for years to come. The benefits of your new windows. With your new energy-efficient windows installed, you'll immediately notice the difference in comfort and performance. Benefits you'll enjoy. Lower energy bills due to improved insulation and reduced heat transfer. Enhanced comfort with consistent indoor temperatures and minimized drafts. A quieter home, thanks to better sound insulation from double or triple glazing. Increased curb appeal and property value with modern, stylish windows. These benefits make the investment in energy-efficient windows well worth it for Kendall homeowners. Final thought. Installing energy-efficient windows in your Kendall home is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, each step is designed to deliver maximum comfort, energy savings, and aesthetic appeal. By understanding what to expect during the installation process, you can feel confident and prepared as you upgrade your windows. Partner with a trusted window installer in Kendall to ensure your new energy-efficient windows are installed with precision and care, providing lasting benefits for your home.